final gate of death.
His chakra is spreading toward the Death Gate chakra point.
Open! 8 inner gate formation!
Red vapor, the blood vapor that's peculiar to all 8 gates being open.
Go for it, Guy Sensei!
Now, first step! First step!
He's fast.
Second step! Third step! Fourth step!
Move.
Fifth step! Just keep forging on, Guy! Go!
Here he comes.
Great timing, Lee.